Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for our product spotlight looking at Mike's Natural Soaps. Well, Mike has been making these soaps since 2009 out of Portland, Oregon, and let me tell you, they're the real deal. That's how he describes his soaps on the website, and looking at the ingredient list, I can't deny that it's like all the best stuff. It really is. You got beef tallow as the base, which is a lot of people consider, and I know there's people back and forth, vegan and tallow, whatever. I'm a big fan of tallow. We've done it with the Rex soaps. We also do the vegan stuff with the Razor Emporium. I think they both have some merit. But then you add on top of that these other cherries on top, like lanolin, right, which comes from sheep, cocoa butter, kaolin clay. I mean, he puts great things on top of great things, and I haven't used it yet. I'm really excited. We just got it for the store, but it looks really good. It smells really good. It's very modestly packaged. It looks very, artisan, handmade kind of a deal. And but the price, I mean, these are like right around $16 US as of the time of this filming, which most of the artisans have started to move closer to $20, even $25. So I think it's a great value. And for all these awesome ingredients, that says a lot. So we do, of course, want to bring it back in here for a shave. I would use it today, but we already did a shave earlier with another brand, so can only shave once, right, guys? But yeah, this is great looking stuff. I do like the silver label. It's kind of shiny. Like if I had a helicopter and I was trying to like signal it, I could use this label. But another big thing is this is 5 ounces, more or less. We do 4 ounces, and I think most of the artisans are doing 4, but I mean, these are extra heavy, a fifth more. So great value, great ingredients. Let's go through some of the scents. Again, we always reach out to the artisan. We want to pick something up and say, what do you recommend we carry? We'll start with that. As the line kind of proves itself out, we usually expand and order more and more. But let's go through some of these and talk about what they smell like. The lime is a simple, sweet, and citrusy, invigorating lime scent, and it's very convincing. It does smell almost like you can taste it, like it's fresh cut lime. The bay rum is a spicy bay leaf combined with bergamot and a dab of vanilla. Spicy indeed. Next up, we got Bergamot Orange Ylang-Ylang. It's citrus top notes supported by the deep, sweet, sultry aroma of the Ylang-Ylang flower. Peppermint and Rosemary, a minty, fresh, and herbaceous combo that imparts a mild cooling sensation to the skin. And it definitely smells like Christmas. I like it. Next up, we got orange cedarwood and black pepper. While orange is the dominant scent here, a judicious blend of cedarwood and black pepper is easily discerned and provides additional complexity. And now we got Hungarian lavender. Mike has acquired a Hungarian lavender essential oil that he's very enthusiastic about. It's flowery, herbaceous, earthy, and fresh. And lastly, we got lavandin and eucalyptus, a subtle scent similar to lavender, but with a slightly more camphorous, slightly less floral quality, more invigorating than calming and soothing. All right, guys, well, that's what we got for Mike's Natural Soaps. I was trying to research what his last name was, and I can't find it. It's not on the invoice, it's not on his website, it's not on his email handle. So, Mike, either you're really brilliant and you don't want anyone to know your last name, or you're just Mike from Portland, Oregon. But either way, we're really happy to be carrying it. I've seen it around, I've heard of it, and we're really happy that Mike agreed to let us wholesale and bring on the product to our store and bring it to you customers out there. So if you've used Mike's Natural Soaps, tell me below in the comments which one I should bring back here for our actual shave review, or which one is your favorite out there. And yeah, I want to hear from you guys. So thanks so much for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.